Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a couple of unusual accessories I've added to the Tigermoth camper trailer. Let's check them out. So I don't know if you've ever had this experience where you're tent camping or in a trailer and you hear something outside, maybe your kid or your wife hears something, and you need to check it out, you want to check it out, but you really don't. So a video surveillance system for a camper is what I'm trying out today. This company Wyze make really interesting products. This is their outdoor cam, and I'm going to use it as an outdoor camper trailer security camera. So I've got this little mini arm. I'm going to mount this where the tent is going to be sheltering it. This camera view will be the area of the trailer outside that I couldn't see out any of the windows. Let me mount the camera on here, 1/4 threading here.
So we'll attach it to this small rig ball joint arm.
Be more like this. So I've got something like this. Okay. Camo. There's a very long life battery in here. So this here is a field of view from the back right of the trailer. So now that you've seen the Wyze Outdoor Cam, let me do a little unboxing of something a bit extra here in this package here. Alright, let me point out a little thing about this rover. It comes with a 10,000 milliamp lithium ion battery, which I wanted to get one anyways. 4-wheel independent suspension. The camera itself works standalone. Oh, yeah, nice. Okay. It takes this lithium ion battery pack. This is the Wyze 2 camera. Be something like this.
Stick the anti-slip tape in the slot. Alright, 4 short screws.
4-wheel drive, remote controlled, remote vehicle. You can use it to do under the camper inspection. You can use it to cruise around the outside of your camper, something fun to play around with. And it's a very interesting product.